how to use Higgsfield AI Text to Video. Open up Higgsfield AI, then you want to hover over video, and I suggest using the newest version of Kling AI. Cinematic videos with audio. So currently the latest version is going to be 3.0, and here's where you will type your text prompt. So I will do a lady walking through a field of flowers, and once you have written your exact or precise text prompt, you will click on generate. Now you can also use a start frame or an end frame as a reference, so it's going to be inspired by it, but we will see what it manages to come up with. It's going to be 720p. You can later upscale this as well here, so we have the option of upscaling, video upscale. But basically I'm just going to pause and come back once this has generated so we can see what it manages to come up with. Okay, so it has been like 1 to 2 minutes and we got this sample video of a lady walking through a field of flowers. So just like that, you give it a prompt. I gave it a very simple prompt just to show you how it works, and in a few minutes Kling AI manages to come up with this masterpiece. So hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.